Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sejal, also known as the Snapstick on Instagram. And आज हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत बड़ा शॉपिंग हॉल जो कि है Zara से and I got it on a great discount that is 60 to 70% off. And watch this video till the end to know the secret behind this great deal. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, these are the clothes that I got from a store in Bangalore that offers 60 to 70% off on all the Zara clothes. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get started with this green top that looks like a bodysuit, but it is not. So this is a mix of classy, trendy and sophisticated look. I paired it with beige trousers that I got from Zara itself, but you can style it with jeans to make it a basic outfit. Very soft, the color is very rich, and I personally loved it over here, and this is how it looks. So it will give you a very sophisticated, classy and stylish look. So the price for this was 2590 initially, but I got it for 1036 only, and as per the price the top is very great and amazing, and I'll add my try on video over here so you can see how it turns out, and hope you like it. And there are a lot more next to show you guys. Black dress. So yeah, and it has some puffs on the shoulder to make it look more elegant, and this is a very basic dress that you should have in your wardrobe, and you can style it with belt, or you can give it a basic look with some bag, fanny bag or sneakers, or you can also make it more party wear and stylish by adding a stylish belt. Perfect for your brunch, date nights, and also a boss babe look. You can add a blazer as well. Usually the price was 3990 and I got it for 1197 only, and I am so lucky. This is going to be my one of the go-to dress because I can style it in so many ways, and you can see these in my upcoming videos as well. Next up is this basic neon yellow t-shirt, and this is very comfy, very soft, very easy to wear, and it can add a pop of color to your outfit and lifts up your mood as well. This is a perfect t-shirt color for your summers this year, and I styled it with grey shorts, but you can style it with jeans or any of the shorts and you're good to go. And this is for 790 initially, but I got it for rupees 237, and you can see what a great deal it is. A Zara t-shirt at just rupees 250. You should get your hands on this. Next up is this cute crop top. This is an off-shoulder top, and the color is very nice, very pastel color, and it is perfect for your brunch vibe. And this is my vibe, guys. This is perfect for your date nights, your Valentine look as well, and you can see the detailing. So mainly I liked it because of this shoulder look, so it will give you an off-shoulder look, and you can style it with high-waist jeans or a flowy skirt. The MRP is 2990, but I got it 897. Can you believe that? So yeah guys, you should go now and check out that store, which I'll be revealing in the end, and I hope you will like the collection. This cute little basic dress which I paired with a neon yellow tank top, and otherwise you can pair it with your any of the tank top or t-shirts to give that basic look. And this is perfect for your arcade date, and otherwise you can wear it for any day outfit, or also you can style it as a night outfit with your boots, chunky boots. And initially the price was 2590, and I got it for 1036 only. So yeah, this is how it looks. It gives that check print, and You can see the fabric, the detailings, the button detailings, and yeah. I also got a winter outfit. Bangalore is too hot, so ये सब काम नहीं आते हैं यहाँ पे winter outfits. So still I got one so that I can wear it in my hometown. So this is the one, and it has full sleeves with the button detailing over here and the neck, a deep neck look. So this is also perfect for your snazzy look, and you can pair it with black bell bottoms or black high-waisted pants with the boots. So this is one of my current favorite. Also it is a little warm, and it is perfect for your winter outfit. 2490 again, and I got it for 996 rupees. And yeah, a great deal in 996, that too a winter piece. Next up is this, yeah, black satin top with full sleeves and a knot that you can tie up and wear it in different styles. This is perfect for your party looks because the stuff and the very solid color with the stuff like this is perfect for your party outfits. You can style it in many different ways because you have an option to tie the knot. Initially the MRP was 1490 and I got it for rupees 447 only. So guys, mainly my sizes comes under S, M or L, and on an average it's M, so you can go there and check your sizes. There are different racks for all the sizes, and from that you can select your perfect size and perfect fit. Also their stock keep changes like weekly or once in 2 weeks, so every time you'll go there you'll get a new collection. Next up is the bottom wear. This is this beige formal pants which I personally got it for my office outfits, and this is perfect neutral shade that you can pair with a lot of different colors, and it will match with all of your different color outfits. It was for 2550 and I got it for just rupees 765, and now I think I shouldn't get my clothes on the real MRP or from the Zara store, because अगर आपको इतने अच्छे कपड़े इतने सस्ते रेट में मिल सकते हैं तो why on these items when you can get it on a very cheaper price and with the same quality. And this is from Zara. You can see the tags over here. This is the proof, and again neon yellowish greenish solid t-shirt. I don't know why I'm liking this color these days. This is a perfect summery color, and I'm obsessed with this color these days. And I got it in size M, and you can see this is a very basic must-have essential for your wardrobe, and you can have different colors in this t-shirt and you are good to go on a daily basis. So initially it was for 990 and I got it for 396 only. And trust me guys, इससे अच्छी डील तो मुझे मिंत्रा से भी नहीं मिली है. Next up is this pink skirt, pink mini skirt which I styled with a purple satin shirt, and this is very cute and very pastely color, and I think this color matches with my top as well, the off-shoulder top. And this is very Pinteresty and soft girly color, so you can style it again in your brunch outfits, in your date nights and party outfits as well. So yeah, it was for rupees 2590 initially, and I got it for rupees 777. And who will reject this offer, guys? At least I'm not. Again a tank top, a striped blue and white tank top, which is a very basic piece that should be in your wardrobe, and you can style it in multiple ways. You can style it in a under blazer, you can style it with your shorts, you can style it with your jeans. And yeah, so this is one, and I got it in size
initially
S.
it was for rupees 990 and I got it for rupees 396.
I know it's a great deal, and you have to watch it till end to know the secret and to know the
Another one
location
is
of that
again a
store.
crop top. It's a t-shirt, crop t-shirt with a neutral color again.
And I love to stock up my wardrobe with, you know, very basic and neutral colors, because I can use it in multiple ways, and why not. Again, I got it in size M, and it was for rupees 690 initially, and I got it for rupees 276. You can see the material is very soft and very, you know, easy to wear. Again a tank top. So this is again a neutral color tank top, and I got it in size M. Again, you can carry it in multiple ways, and now you can see my love for basic neutral colors and basic, you know, pieces. I'll show you in my upcoming videos how we can style these basic pieces in multiple ways. And yeah, lastly, this cute alternate black top with a button at the back. You can just tie it like this, the button and this, and this is how it looks. Very chic, very sophisticated, and also not too revealing. And black is a must-have, you know. Everyone can wear black, and it suits everyone. So yeah, black is also my personal favorite. So initially it was for 1990, and I got it for rupees 597, and it's a great one. And you can see it is a little see-through, but you can wear a basic tank top, or if you're wearing it for a, you know, a night outfit. If you're wearing it as a night outfit, then there's no worries, but you can wear a basic, you know, tank under this, and you're good to go. So I styled it with this beige formal trouser that I've shown you earlier, and this is it for today's video. And about the location, I know you all are very curious. So there are two stores in Bangalore that I have went as of now. One is Miss Universe in HSR layout, and the other one is SAS Clothing in Koramangala. And I'll be pinging if you are in Bangalore or you're planning to visit in Bangalore, you must go to these places and get your hands on these great deals. And let me know in the comment section if you want more such videos, and your favorite piece of clothing in this entire video. And more love to you guys, and thank you, and keep supporting. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Love you. Bye.